Wagwan Glam Squad, it's your girl Jamie. Today I'm doing a new video. Today I'm showing you guys how to do a pink glitter cut crease makeup look on one of my clients. I'll be also showing you guys the products that I'm going to be using on her face. So guys, stay tuned. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click notification bell down below to notify you guys when I post a new video. And without further ado, let's get into this video. First, I'm going to be using Miracle Cleansing Water to clean her face. Next, I'm going to be using Vitamin C Facial Serum to set and prime her face. And now I'm going to be using a microbrow pencil to draw her eyebrows. Now I'm going to be using my Super Stay foundation in the shade 330 to do her eyebrows. You guys probably wondering why I'm not using concealer. To me, I get better coverage with the foundation and look much better. I know most people probably not going to agree with me, but it works better for me. It's just what works best for you. So yeah. Now I'm just going to be blending out the foundation. Now I'm going to start priming her eyelid with my eyeshadow primer. Now I'm going to be using the Berries by Jovia's makeup palette to do her eyeshadow. So guys, when I was editing this video, I realized that I didn't get a chance to video the part where I was doing the cut crease. So in the next video, I will show you guys how I get that cut crease. So now I'm going to be using my Beauty Glaze makeup palette to go over the cut crease to make it smooth before I put the glitter on it. So now I'm going to be applying my pink glitter with my glitter glue. I got this glitter from Jamaica. I didn't get it here, so I don't remember what the page name online that I got it from, but yeah. So now I am going to be applying my white liquid liner over the cut crease thingy to, a little more sharper look. Yeah. So now I'm going to be using this pulley thing on my eyebrow pencil. I don't know what it's called, but I'm using it to clean off the glitter, the excess glitter that's on her face. So now I'm going to be using my Super Stay foundation in the shade 336 to finish drawing her eyebrow and apply on the rest of her face. So now I'm going to be applying my Super Stay foundation in this shade 330 to start contouring her face. As I said before, guys, I stopped using concealer. I started using the foundation because it gave me better coverage and it works best for me. So anything that works best for you, just go with it. Go with the flow, yeah. So after I finish blending out my foundation, I am going to be using my No Color Face Setting Powder to start bake her face. As you guys can see, I'm patting out underneath her eye before I applied the setting powder, so it could be smooth and no cracks or nothing is going to be under her eye. I always try to do that before you apply the setting powder, so it could be smooth underneath your client's eye or your eye. So now I'm going to be using my True Complexion Contour Palette to contour her forehead, her nose, and her cheekbone. Okay guys, so now I'm going to be using a white eyeliner pencil to line her waterline. So now I'm going to be using my face powder palette to blend out my setting powder. Now I'm going to be using Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray to set her face. Okay guys, so now for blush, I use the one of the Javier's palette for blush. You can use eyeshadow for blush. You don't have to literally buy a blush, and that's what I do. I extremely love the shade in this palette, guys. Like, it's so amazing. So now I'm going to be using the Juvia's Place Loose Highlighter to highlight her cheeks, her nose, and her forehead. I put a little bit on the top of her lip too. Now I'm going to be using 3 different shade sapphire lipstick to do our lips to finish off this look. And now I'm going to be using the same setting spray again to set her face one last time before I finish with the look. And now I'm going to be applying some lip gloss over the lipstick. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup tutorial as much as I did. Please remember to like, comment, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Click notification bell down below to notify you guys when I post a new video. And remember to follow all my social, my business page and my personal page. So guys, see you next time. Peace.